The engines of Sodor, for its type, are the most famous in Britain, and the Northwestern Railway is the power behind the docks and bench lines that make up the world renowned on the island of Sodor. These are the Sudrian engines. After the accident, Thomas got sent back to the Falkor bench line. Meanwhile, James got sent to the clay pits. You must be the newcomer. I'm Bill, and I'm Ben. Well, I'm James. Ooh, so you're James. We've heard of you. Edward told us stories. Well, that's interesting. So, what am I supposed to do? We shunt your trucks, and you take them to Wellsworth. Simple as that. There's already a train waiting for you over there. Absolutely spiffing. I'll get started. The Falkor branch line is important, and so is the Brendan branch. They both bring in valuable traffic, but their track and bridges are not so strong as those on the main line. That is why the Fat Controller does not allow the heavier mainline engines, such as Gordon and Henry, to run on them. It's undignified. What is? Letting mainline diesels work at branch lines? Preposterous. We need bulk on the main line. Ever since James, well, that happened. Give James some time. He will tell us eventually one day. For now, just give him his space. Although I hope he's alright. I haven't seen him that often. I'll try to ask him next time I see him. For now, we got train to take. Alright, don't fuss. Every weekend at the evening, 2 fast trains leave the big station within 5 minutes. The 6:25 is for Gordon, headed to Barrow-in-Furness. Edwards at 6:30 runs along the Brendan branch line. A signaling error at the big station had made Gordon late, and when he finally could leave, it was very late indeed, so Edward had to leave first. I must keep the time. Gordon was running very late indeed. But that didn't stop him from trying to keep the time. Kidmet hadn't given any information about the incident to Waldorf Station, so they thought that Gordon was Edward and set him on to the Brendan branch. Those conniving little shits. Oh, some engines never learn. Hello, Gordon. So, how are you? Keeping busy, keeping busy. Twins can be a pain in the bunker sometimes. Listen, James, if you want to talk, we're all open to hear your thoughts. And we would really like you to go back to Plymouth. What would this railway be without James' splendid red engine? Ah, so you miss me already? Hadn't even gone 2 weeks. No, I don't. We just, just say it, Gordon. No, I just say, come on, that's not alright. Maybe a tad bit, but...
Magical